Welcome to AICompu classes. Today we learn Excel's if error function. It helps replace errors like hashtag, default, NA and value with a custom message, 0 or blank cell. Let's understand if error with a simple example. First, we will calculate the price per unit is equal to select cell E4 divided F4, then enter. Get the result. Drop down. The price per unit laptop is 5000, but keyboard or printer divided error because their quantity is 0. Excel cannot divide a number by 0. Now let's use the if error formula to remove this error is equal to if error bracket select E4 divided select F4 comma inverted comma not available inverted comma bracket close, then enter. Now drop down. Now see. Now we will see how to replace the error with 0 using the if error formula is equal to if error select E4 divided F4 comma inverted comma 0 inverted comma bracket close, then enter. Where the calculation is the correct, Excel shows the normal result, and where divided approved before, Excel now shows 0. Show blank instant of an error. Use this formula. Instant of showing an error, text or 0. We went to the cell to approve something, went the cell to appear blank. In that case, use two double quotation mark as the value if error. Something's instant of showing an error, text or 0, we went the cell to appear blank. In that case, use two double quotation. Now see is equal to if error bracket select E4 divided F4 comma inverted comma space inverted comma bracket close, then enter. Drop down. Now if an error occurs, the cell will remain blank. Now let's look at a student marks example. To calculate the percentage divided obtained marks by total marks is equal to E5 divided F5, then enter. Drop down. See, for Amit, the normal formula will return an error. If student, by using if error, we can replace that error with 0. Now see is equal to if error bracket select E5 divided F5 comma inverted comma 0 inverted comma bracket close, then enter. We can replace that error with 0. Now let's see a very useful application of if error. We will search for an employee name using an employee ID is equal to VLOOKUP select D7 comma all select comma 2 comma flash bracket close, enter. Now see. Next, if the employee ID is not available in the database, type is equal to VLOOKUP all select comma 2 comma flash bracket close, then enter. By using if error, we can replace that technician error with a clear message employee not found is equal to if error bracket comma inverted comma inverted comma, type employee not found, EM, type employee not found, inverted comma, bracket close, then enter. Now see. Today we learned how to if error formula works. If the formula is correct, Excel shows the normal result. If an error occurs, it shows the alternative result we provide. We can replace errors with 0, a text message not available, or a blank sheet. If error is specifically useful for division, percentage, VLOOKUP, and professional reports. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more Excel tutorials like this. See you in the next video.